Ooh, and just like that, guys, we are back in the auction. What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, we haven't been at this auction in about 2 months, man. The quarantine has had us all off the sauce, man, but we are back looking at some of these auction cars, checking them out and seeing what they go for, man. We got a couple decent rides here, so if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, looks like we got a 2010 Mini Cooper here, man. Pretty nice little Mini Cooper. It does have the 6-speed transmission manual. Nice little Mini Cooper here. However, you're missing a little grill piece right here. No big deal. Headlights could use some restoration. I am digging the wheels on here. They do make this car look a little bit more aggressive. You know, it is a Mini Cooper at all. I mean, first glance, so it is a Mini Cooper after all. So this one is the Mini 50 Camden edition. I don't know if that's like a special edition or not, but the interior does look pretty fair. I mean, it is a little bit whooped. I can't even front it. It is pretty whooped, but it does look pretty decent in here. A nice little 2010 Mini Cooper. It does have like some custom exhaust on it, so I'm pretty sure this thing gets up, man. It looks like it does look really nice. I'm digging it. What y'all think about the Mini Cooper, though? Let me know in the comments below. And we don't want the Jetta. We don't want the Infinity with the windows busted and the rebar super bashed in. I don't think that's gonna be the one for me. But we can take a quick look at the inside for those people who do body work. This one might be the one for you, but I just can't deal. We also got an Audi back here, and this thing looks to be T-boned. Like, wow. That looked like that hurt pretty bad. Pretty badly. But, you know, we're not interested in that. The police car back there. My buddy just got one of these, but the two-door version, they don't really have much mini cars up here today, guys. But you see already, there's so many people walking in. Everybody got their little money. Everybody got their little checks. Everybody running it up, trying to spend it. But what year is this, guys? Looks like we got a 07 Honda Sonata, 261,000 miles. Pretty decent looking car. If we take a quick look at the inside, we do have some nice light gray interior. Not too much damage. Does look pretty fair if you ask me. It's pretty legit. Hyundai Sonata. No big deal. Oh, wait. You do have 2 new doors on this side, so maybe you can just get it repainted. I don't know. What y'all think, though? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2002 Honda Civic here, 111,000 miles. We do got some like mismatch painted fenders and bumpers here, so that's that. But it does have the sunroof. Interior is all right. Not that big of a deal. Not that big of a deal. I mean, they don't really got many cars here today, guys, but they do got a couple of like little gas savers in the bunch. So that's a plus, but I'm not really interested in the Honda. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2013 Chrysler 156,000 miles on the dash. AC does blow cold. We can take a look under the hood really quick. Where is it at? Let's take a quick look under the hood. It doesn't look tampered with at all. This definitely might be one of the best, newest cars up here. 156,000 miles. You do got like some tequila kickage over there. So every time you open up the door, you will get that click on the fender. Mileage is a little bit high for anything you want to make money on. But the interior is pretty fair. Tan interior, it's leather. It is pretty whooped. But I mean, if you can get it at a decent price, that's a plus. What y'all think about it, though? It does have the flex fuel, so you know it's good on gas. You can get the E85. But all in all, pretty fair. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Looks like we got a 2012 Volkswagen Passat, 133,000 miles. Cold AC. Looks like they might have hit something in the front here. No body damage or anything like that. If you take a look at the inside, damn, that door burnt my damn finger off damn near. But if you take a look at the inside interior, it's not that bad. Mileage is like 133 or something like that. So it's a Volkswagen. You may be able to get some more out of it. However, me personally, I'm not gonna take that chance. But if you like it, I love it. Couple decent rides here, man. And what do you know? We got our joint coming up next. Ooh, we got that LT, the 1996 Chevy Camaro. Now, you guys seen the last Camaro we built? That was the LS. The LS motor was like, it was like the bubble eye Camaro. The LS motor, I had that with the pink Camaro, which is the white one out there. I switched it out. So that's the new Camaro, which is the LT. Those motors are the newer motors of this one, if you get what I'm trying to say. So this one has the LT, 109,000 miles. It does have the T-top as well. You can pop this bad boy real quick. LT1 actually looks really good underneath the hood. It's probably one of the better ones I've seen. The mileage is super low at 109,000 miles. Does have the T-top on it, so that's a plus. You take a look at the inside, man, this thing is really, really clean on the inside. Nice automatic transmission. Back seats look pretty fair. Looks like a little blood right there, no big deal. Seems pretty fair underneath and everything in there as well. Nice little T-top. You can literally switch the tail lights out on this and switch the front end and have a whole like new current, like a 2002 Camaro. Looks really good. Thumb digging the T-tops. What y'all think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below. See, this the LT Camaro. You see how I got the black near the lights, and like it's got that shark face look. If you look at my car, you'll see it looks just the same. But what y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, looks like we got a 07 328i, 175,000 miles. Does have a sunroof. Paint is a little bit faded. Rims are a little bit dirty. We take a look at the inside. You're missing a door panel over there. No big deal. I'm sure something's wrong with this car. This window probably doesn't even roll down or nothing anymore. All in all, pretty fair. Faded paint. Got some little kicks and nicks in it. But what y'all think about it, man? So many people here already. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Got a little couple more cars here. Not really interested in, but I'll just show you because I'm a nice guy. Got the Magnum, got the Explorer. The Magnum got low compression. A little Blazer, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Mazda with 195,000 miles. This one has a bad transmission and is a rebuilt title. We don't want the van and we don't want the police car. Damn, it's a grip of motherfuckers up here today, boy. It's too many people up here today, dog. I'm out of here. Can't do it. But that one's a stick shift. I can't do the stick shift, so I'm all right. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. It's too many people up in there. It's way too many people up in there for me. And I'm about to hop back in these streets and go on about my day, man. None of these people up here probably gonna even buy a car. They up here at 10 a.m. literally right when it opens. It's just, I'm sorry, I don't like doing reviews while a lot of people is here, but it is what it is. I got y'all the best cars and, you know, showed y'all some of the cars that they had. But it is what it is, man. Stay tuned for tomorrow and let's check out what these whips go for.